Hey everyone and hello Nanbas. If you're a college student and looking to make money, this video is for you. And I'm Thasanthan. In this video, I'm going to share my personal journey and also some tips on how you can start earning too. Okay, without getting more delay, let's roll the intro. Let me start by saying I'm a school dropout. Yes, but I started my private higher education. From the start to the present, I am managing my own all expenses by myself. Managing my study expenses and living expenses as a teenager, it has been a very tough journey for me because I started at my 18 and now I am 20. This year I am turning 21 too. So why I'm saying this to you is, I have always been like you, wanting to make money online. But one thing I found interesting is that instead of focusing on big amount of money, focusing on building simple cash flow systems are much better. So what is cash flow system? Simply put, it's a way to create consistent income streams, but it can be small at the first. Over time, it can grow and provide you financial stability. Now, let's see what kind of cash flow systems you can build as a college student and why you should build one. Here are a few ideas. Number one, freelancing. Yes, you can earn by selling your skills online. It can be video editing, graphic designing, writing, any talent you have, you can sell it online. Number two, online gigs. Yes, by participating in paid service, and also you can be a virtual assistant for businesses, or you can sell handmade crafts online. There are a lot of ways to do it. Number three, part-time jobs. Yes, as a college student, by using your free time, you can do part-time jobs. You can go for tutoring, you can go for customer service, you can go for even a retail job. It's fine. And a big disclaimer, you don't have to be limited only with these three things. There are many more and more ways to do and make money online. But when you start make money online, only thing you have to focus is keep building your own cash flow system. People may ask, is it good to build it in my college time? Yes, it is. Because your college time is your golden era. Because you're not going to have any big family responsibilities at that time, at that age. So use that time to build cash flow systems and use that time to build your own career. Let's say if you are doing video editing, okay? If you have just only one or two clients now, yes, you can manage everything by yourself. You can do the video editing, you can do the filming, scripting and publishing, managing social medias, anything can be done by yourself only. But if you get 10, 100, what can you do? Yes, that's where you need a team. You need a system. You need a system and team to run a business. Okay. So that can't be done in just one day. You have to build a system gradually when you start growing. If you forget this, you will regret one day. So use your college era to build and learn about cash flow systems. You don't have to build a very successful cash flow system in your college itself. That's not necessary, but you can learn by only doing. Okay. One more thing I need to discuss here is, recently I noticed that many students think that they can make money online only if they know programming. That's bullshit talk. That's not true. Programming is just one part of the digital world. There are many other ways to explore. Digital marketing, HR, content creation and finance. There are many ways. So don't just depend on programming. Don't just choose a computer science or a software engineering degree just because others are choosing. Because there are many other very effective and fast growing fields are there. So there you have it. If you're a college student and looking to make money online, focus on building cash flow systems and explore various fields beyond programming. It's all about finding what works for you and be consistent. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful for you, just like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to ask your questions in the comments because that will help me to make upcoming videos. And until next time, keep hustling, stay motivated. Yours, Thasanthan. Goodbye.